Okay, I'm going to attach my camera with duct tape to my trailer hitch and go for a ride to listen to the exhaust sound. Alright, I'm all taped up. Hope my camera stays on for the voyage. Here we go. Working? Over and out. Well, for its first highway run, not too bad. The wastegate's not kicking on exactly right, and it's starving for fuel past 14 psi boost. So I have to check the fuel filter, or maybe the fuel pump that I've been screwing around with all week isn't putting out like it used to. But she's feeling pretty good. It sounds good, except when the fuel cuts out, it makes those funny backfires.